Okay, hello, my friends. It's me, your friend, and let's talk about the trend lines or maybe horizontal lines. How you should use, why, and when. Take it simple, very easy. Look at this beautiful chart. I got a few good confirmations, good trades, and here we go. First of all, I strongly suggest you guys to follow my steps so you will be able to learn very good. Let's say you are making horizontal and maybe trend lines, then you are waiting to crash your line like this, but this was actually a fake breakout. And how do I know that? Because there is no another one to follow. So yeah, it was fake actually. But look at this, guys. One breakout, then another breakout, and the price is going up. Look at this chart, guys. 15.1%. That was amazing, you know. Just trade. It's simple, guys. Trade it. It's very easy. Just follow my steps. Look at this, guys. Failing down one and confirmation. Boom. 42. That was amazing. And see, one failing up, crash, and the confirmation. Boom. It was so good, very good. So yeah. Okay. Now let's mine the chart with my trend lines or maybe horizontal lines and see what's gonna happen. If you are talking like it was for a few times, now guys, no, just take it simple. It's very easy to trade. So yeah, let's see them. So we will guys able to trade. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe me and hit the notification button. Look, one falling down, then beautiful 5, almost 5%, and now one breakout, then going down to 2%, but that was nothing because you just made 7%, and that was actually very good, you know, very good. Look at this, guys. This is I would say 100% that your signal is very good. How do I know? Look at this, guys. We got so high confirmations and one breakout, they go up to very good process. That was amazing, you know. Okay, you guys are able to make few charts here like this, and here we go. So you guys trade correctly, like one test, 2, 3, 4, and boom, crazy, boom, and beautiful process. It was so amazing. And now let's see Bitcoin. Look at this, guys. As you know, I just made trend lines here, and I said the price was gonna go up because I know it. Look at this, guys. Why? Boom, then 10%. You know, 10% is really good when you are trading in Bitcoin. So remember, you have to crash one time, then retest is the confirmation. It's very simple. Take it easy, and you will trade successful. And one more thing, you guys should be patient, and without patience, you will never win this game. That's very good, you know what I'm saying? Very good. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. One crash, but where is another one? No, there is another one. But why? Because it was fake. Look, one crash and boom, 23%. That's so good. Look, one crash and two, but scalp. It was actually scalp. Beautiful 2%. It was actually very good. That's how you guys can scalp, which means small time frame. And look at this, guys. 1, 2, but the price is coming down to 7, 8%, and that's nothing because your reputation will not be crashed. But you got another bomb and 59%. Congratulations, guys. It's very simple. Just take it easy. But horizontal or trend lines are not 100 guaranteed every time. Sometimes you will lose, but in many times you will earn. So yeah. Don't forget to subscribe me. Look at this beautiful chart, guys. Look at this beautiful chart. Let me go out one day. Let me go out one day. Look at this beautiful chart, guys. That was so amazing. Look at this beautiful chart. Oh my gosh, that was so beautiful. Look, high confirmation here, and boom, 29%. Good. Let's go, baby. That's absolutely good, you know. Take it easy. Okay. Look. One crash and boom, 12%. That's so good. Let's see another. 1 inch. Alright. No, there is no anything to see. There is nothing to see. I was talking about this like fake breakout. That's why I'm talking about. But if you have patience, then congratulations, 10%. Boom, crash here, and that was amazing. You know what I'm saying? That was amazing. Then here you should have short position to here. Boom, beautiful, 43%. Or maybe you should keep your position and beautiful 40, beautiful 54%. Then congratulations, you got here long position signal and boom, 91. That's so good, you know what I'm saying, because it's very good. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in my another video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Hit the notification button and make sure it's on. Bye.